Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an attractive channel art for YouTube. It's quite difficult when you upload your channel art. Sometimes they say it is small in size, so you need a little bit work in Photoshop and PowerPoint. So I will show you the simplest way here. So it means that you already made your YouTube channel. So you just need to log in to the YouTube or Google. So you are in the YouTube home page. This is your profile picture. You need to click on it. When you click on it, you need to click on my channel. When you click on my channel, click on customize channel. So when you click on customize channel, so this thing will here appear. This is basically called channel art. He say actually add channel art. So we need this much length and breadth here. So you can also click on this one to add channel art, and you can also click on this pen arrow and click on edit channel art. Okay, so they are asking for us that select a photo from your computer, but first of all we will make here in PowerPoint. So to make this video short, I recommend to take the rectangle shape in PowerPoint and keep the height of this shape 2.44 inch and the length is 13.5 inch. I recommend this, and the rest of the things you can just keep on the top of this. For example, if you are putting this thing, and you can also keep this thing, etc., and you can also put your photographs here. If you wish, you can also remove your background, photograph background. Just click on this, go to format and do like this, right? So this is your channel art. You can also put this subscribe my YouTube channel, right? Let's take the image from this, or just go to file, save as, and I will save on the desktop, and I will give the name channel art. From this save type is, I will select the JPEG file. Okay, right, just this one. It is already selected. Let's go and select. Okay, now I am in the my YouTube channel. Select a photo from your computer. So this is my channel art. Now it's uploading. You see, the system is telling me that the photo you uploaded is too small. It must be at least this pixel wide and this pixel tall. Oh, I see. So I have to dismiss this, and the recommended size is given here. Recommended size is 2560 and 1440. So for this you just need to go to Photoshop. When you open the Photoshop, so click on Control N. So when you click on Control N, so this is the width. So the width is here 2560 pixel, and the height is 1440. It is in pixel. Okay, they are also talking about pixel, right? Yes. So just click on OK. Okay, so this is open now. So I recommend that from this PowerPoint, go to slideshow and take the print screen. The print screen you can take, press window and click print screen. Okay, and just go to Photoshop and paste it here, right? So what you just need to drag it here. just press Ctrl T and then press Shift Alt and drag it and reach it to the boundaries. Then just go to File, go to Save As and select Desktop. Here give channel art full size, and from this format just select JPEG, right? Click Save and they will quality 12 and maximum from here. Okay, click. Now let's go and see. Let's go and zoom out this and select. Now you will see channel art full size. Now done. You see your channel art is going to look a bit different across devices. So this means that if you are using desktop, it will look like this. If you are using TV, it will look like this. Or if you are using mobile, so it will look like this. So I am telling that select. You select. You see, done. My channel art done. So it's very simple. You just need to follow my steps. Thank you very much. Thank you.